Here's how you can bypass the SMS fee issue when logging into Telegram. Telegram may require a small fee to send an SMS verification code in certain situations, such as you've requested too many verification codes. Your phone number is from a region where SMS delivery is expensive or frequently abused. Your phone number has been used to create multiple Telegram accounts. Telegram wants you to use another device where you're already logged in instead of sending an SMS. If this happens to you, here's a workaround that may help. First, uninstall the latest version of the Telegram app from your phone. Next, open any web browser and search for Telegram APK or Telegram download. Open the up-to-down website. Scroll down until you see older versions, then tap it. Find Telegram version 11.9.1. Open it, scroll down, and tap Download. You may see a warning that says, this file might be harmful. Tap Download anyway. I've personally used up-to-down for a long time without any issues. But as always, download apps from third-party websites at your own discretion. Wait for the download to finish. Before installing the APK, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then go to Play Protect. Tap the settings icon in the upper right corner and turn off. Scan apps with Play Protect. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Now go back to the downloaded APK and open it. If prompted, tap just once and acknowledge the warning that the app may pose risks. Tap Install. If you see the message for your security, your phone isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Tap Settings. Enable Allow App Installs from this source. Then return and tap Install again. Once the installation is complete, open Telegram. Enter your phone number, then tap the blue arrow to continue. Tap Continue, then allow the required permissions if prompted. Telegram will send a verification code to the recovery email linked to your account. Open your email, copy the code, and enter it in Telegram. If you're already logged into Telegram on another device, you can also open Telegram there to receive the login code instead of using email. After entering the verification code, you'll be logged into your account. And that's how you can fix or bypass the Telegram SMS fee issue when signing in.